Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I want to talk to you about this electric shower, Mira Sprint Dual Matte White Chrome Effect electric shower, 9.5 kilowatts. This shower head is with dual outlet showering, where a practicality meets an enhanced showering experience. It is perfect electric shower upgrade with 3 power settings, including an eco settings, an adjustable clamps, brackets, and a push on and off button, so you can leave the shower and temperature at your preferred setting for a fine-tuned experience. This comes with a shower head, hose, riser rail, and clamp bracket. Features and benefits: double the experience, easily divert between 200mm overhead and 90mm handset, allow easy replacement, accept top, bottom, and rear water entry from the left or right side, perfect for replacing an existing electric shower, easy to fit with the ability to position the large overhead where it suits in the bathroom, and also it got adjustable arm. This shower head is designed with space and flexibility in mind. The brand is Mira, range Sprint Dual, model number Sprint Dual, 9.5 kilowatts, white effect, chrome effect, finish matte. Entry point power: left button, left back, left side, right button, right back, and right side. Entry point: water, left top, left side, left back, right bottom, and right side. Flow rate: 4 liters per minute. Hose length: 1.25 meter. Material is plastic. Power voltage supply: 230 by 240 voltage. Shower head spray pattern: 2 spray pattern. Suitable water pressure: high or low. Thermostat control without thermostat. Rear length: 1070mm. Product depth: 107mm. Product height: 356mm. Product width: 225mm. So top highlights: the brand is Mira, color is white, material is plastic, finish type gloss, number of handles 3, handle material brass, product type bath hub shower. This product deserves your attention, and yeah, very good one for your shower. And what is in the box: shower head and hose. This product is highly recommended. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.